Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Canva to make vertical YouTube Shorts thumbnails in 2026 fast and easy. Now, Shorts thumbnails can boost your click-through rate, especially in search and your channel page. So without further delay, let's get straight into how you can actually do it. First of all, you need to come here on canva.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of create. Now click on the option of custom size here in the bottom. Now over here in the width, you will have to enter 1080. Then in the height, you will have to enter 1920. Now this is also the format for the Instagram story. So here you can either click on the option of Instagram story, or you can directly click on the option of create a new design. So whichever method you have selected, you are going to see this type of page in front of you. Now over here in the left hand section, you can go to the designs. After that, you will see a bunch of different designs which you can click on, and you can start customizing these for your YouTube Shorts thumbnails. You can also just simply go to the designs, and here you can click on the option of the styles tab. Over here you are going to see a bunch of different combinations. You can click on these and you can make changes into the styles of your thumbnails. After that, we have the option of elements. You can look for any of the elements of your choice. For example, if I look for, let's say, coffee, and if I hit enter, simply click on the option of see all right next to the graphics. Here you can look for the coffee elements which you like. So instead of this particular element, let's say from this video, I'm going to be adding this one. Then in order to make changes into the text, you can just simply click on this and make changes into the text. You can also add your own texts by clicking on the option of text. You can see a bunch of different text styles over here, so you can click on any one of these and incorporate in your design. So once you are done with your editing, simply click on the option of share on the top right hand corner, then download this particular thumbnail in the form of PNG. So once you have your thumbnail ready, you can come on YouTube Studio. Then you can go to the content section. After that, select the option of shorts, then select your shorts video, and here you will see the option of thumbnail. Now this thing can be done with the help of your mobile application only. So in your YouTube Studio mobile application, you will see the thumbnail option. So you can upload that from here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.